Assalamu alaikum students, good morning. Today we are going to study chapter 2 pronouns. What is pronoun? A pronoun is any word that can be used in place of a noun. To understand pronouns, let's have a story. For an example, if I say there was a king. The king was very cruel. The king used to punish all the people who did not obey him. The king was really greedy too. So if I am repeating the word the king again and again, it sounds really weird. So that's why, to avoid the repetition of nouns in sentence, we use pronoun. So that's why we say that the word that is used in place of a noun is called pronoun. Okay? So जो मैंने एग्जाम्पल दिया उसमें आपने ये सुना कि एक ही वर्ड को जब हम बार बार रिपीट करते हैं तो उससे क्या होता है, सेंटेंस की जो ब्यूटी होती है वो डिस्ट्रॉय हो जाती है और वो बहुत ही वियर्ड लगता है सुनने में. तो इसलिए हम नाउन की जगह पे दूसरे वर्ड का यूज़ करते हैं जिसे हम प्रोनाउन कहते हैं. फॉर एन एग्जाम्पल, ही, शी, इट, दे, एक्सेट्रा. ओके, सो we have different categories of pronouns, but you have 9 types of pronouns in your course. Let's begin with one of them. The first one is personal pronoun. What is personal pronoun? What is the meaning of personal? Personal means related to a person. Okay, so these pronouns refers to one of the 3 persons of English. What are the 3 persons of English? That is I, you, and the third person whom we are talking about. As like, for an example, if I am talking to you about Alfie, in this case I would be the first person, you would be the second person, and Alfie would be the third person. ओके मैंने अभी जो एग्जाम्पल दिया उसमें 3 पर्सन्स का यूज़ हुआ. जैसे मैं अगर आपसे बात करूं तो मैं क्या हो जाऊंगी, फर्स्ट पर्सन, दैट इज़ आई. आप क्या हो जाओगे, यू, दैट इज़ सेकेंड, एंड अल्फी, दैट इज़ थर्ड पर्सन. किसी थर्ड पर्सन के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं हम तो इसीलिए उसको थर्ड पर्सन कहते हैं. ओके, सो इन इंग्लिश वी हैव 3 पर्सन्स, दैट इज़ कॉल्ड फर्स्ट पर्सन, सेकेंड पर्सन एंड थर्ड पर्सन. फर्स्ट पर्सन is I and we in plural, and you would be always the same, that is you would be always the second person. Okay, and they, it, she, third person कोई भी हो सकता है, जैसे कि he, she, they, या किसी भी animals, things या place को ही हम refer कर सकते हैं third person में. Okay, so the person in English language are classified as first person, second person and third person. The first person refers to the person or persons speaking. The second person refers to the person or persons being spoken to. The third person refers to the person or persons being spoken of. तो first person वो है जो बोलता है, दूसरा person वो है जिससे बोला जाता है, ठीक है, और थर्ड पर्सन वो है जिसके बारे में बोला जाता है. ओके, सो दैट इज रियली क्लियर अबाउट द 3 पर्सन्स ऑफ इंग्लिश. सो हियर आई एम श्योर दैट टुडे यू गॉट द क्लैरिटी इन पर्सनल प्रोनाउंस. इन दिस पिक्चर यू कैन सी द पर्सन दैट इज स्पीकिंग इज आई, to whom he is speaking is you, and about whom they are talking to, that is the third person, and that person could be he, she, it or they. तो वो third person कोई भी हो सकता है, as like he, she, any name of a person, place or thing, or it or they. He we used with masculine gender, she we used with feminine gender, it we use with small animals or neuter gender, and they we used when more than one person, place or thing. Okay, so each of these personal pronoun function as subject in a sentence. Okay, let's have some examples. I am working right now. Here the fourth person singular pronoun is used. You are invited to the party. Here the second person singular pronoun is used. He is a naughty boy. Here, the third person singular masculine pronoun is used. She is a funny girl. Here, the third person singular feminine pronouns is used. It is my book. Here, the third person, that is it, singular neuter pronoun is used. We are listening to some old song. Here, the first person plural pronoun is used. You all must come for dinner sometime. Here, the second person plural pronoun is used. So, hope you have understood that what is pronoun and what is personal pronouns. We will read further types of pronouns in next class. Till then, thank you and do practice of making sentences on personal pronoun. Okay, thank you.